So you can pump it.
Ayo, drop that shit.
Okay.